So as you guys know that I have recently uploaded a camera review of this Realme X2 on the channel, and as you guys well aware that this smartphone comes for 17,000 rupees and it has some really good set of cameras. So I've thought let's install the Google camera in the smartphone and let's test it out whether it is better or worse with that Google camera. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the Google camera test of this Realme X2. So let's begin. So first of all guys, let me tell you that you have to install the APK from the link which I will provide in the description box below. After that, you have to configure some settings. After you install the APK, go into the camera settings, then go into the about device and just enable advanced mode. First of all, you have HDR plus settings. In the back camera, select Pixel 3 XL. In the front camera, select Pixel 3 XL. After that, go into the HDR controls, and here you have to first select on this custom LIB repo and select on version stable. After that you will get this settings custom libs, select on that and select this V3 beta, the second thing. After that go to the settings again, HDR plus control, and image format set it on default, YUV. And then after that you have the saturation adjustment. This is very subjective. If you like more saturation, you can increase the saturation from here, and also you can decrease the saturation from here too. So I like to put the saturation of the back camera, the highlights on 1.5, the shadows on 2.5. The front camera's highlight should be on 0.9 and shadows on 1.1. So yeah, this is my settings. You can set your camera according to your way, and this is it. Now you can take pictures. Let's take a look at some pictures and let's see. First of all, the saturation is a bit more higher in the Realme's picture, as you see over here, whereas the Google gives you little bit less saturated image, but as you see the details are very comparable, not a huge amount of difference. So as you see here too, I feel both are really good, but when it comes to detail, the Google camera performs bit better here. Not by a huge margin, but it performs bit better. As you see, even in this flower picture, both are really good, but Google camera gives you a little bit less saturated image. By the way, you can definitely adjust the saturation as per your liking, so you will get same saturation as compared to the normal one. And then moving to the human pictures, as you see over here, I feel the dynamic range is far better in the stock camera as compared to the Google camera, but details are okay, and even the skin tones are better in the stock camera. Then moving to the indoor lighting situation, here I feel both are decent, but I feel Google camera has bit of advantage here, has less noise and higher details. As you see in this picture, Google camera is clear winner here. Overall details is far better in the Google camera's picture, as you see. Now let's move to the low lighting situation, which is the most important thing. And as you see, the Google camera tends to give you a bit shaky image. So yeah, let's move to the next picture. Here too it is bit shaky, but the overall picture from the stock camera is good too. Now let's take some pictures at the very low lighting situation with the low light, nightscape mode and night sight mode. And here the Google camera is clear winner, as you see over here. Wow. Okay, so it performs way better. As you see guys, the stock camera smudges the image. The Google camera is clear winner here, no doubt about that. As you see, even in this picture, the Google camera is clear winner. So yeah, this was the low light performance. In the low light, definitely the Google camera performs far better than the normal camera, stock camera. After that, let's move to the front facing cameras. So as you see in the daylighting situation, the dynamic range is far better in the Google camera, but it does not able to properly expose the face here as compared to the normal stock camera. But overall details are far better. I mean, very detailed image you will get from the Google camera, but very flattering image and very pleasing to eye image you will get from the stock camera. Basically what I'm trying to say is, and as you see, the details are very good in both the cameras, but details are a bit too much in the Google camera, I guess. So I prefer the picture from the normal. But when we move to the portrait mode, as you see, portrait mode is better in the Google camera, and overall dynamic range is better as compared to the stock camera. Stock camera's dynamic range is pathetic over here. As you see, the details, dynamic range, great. Google camera is kind of a winner here. Not in every scenario, but in some scenarios. Moving to the indoor lighting situation, here too, the dynamic range is far better, but the details, skin tones much better in the stock camera, but only the dynamic range is better in the Google camera here. As you see, still the dynamic range is better, but the skin tones are better in the stock camera. Now moving to the low lighting situation, here I feel the Google camera is clear winner here. No doubt about that. Much better dynamic range, much better details. And now let's take a look at the picture, which is a nightscape picture. Both of them offers nightscape picture in the night low light mode basically. So as you see, this is the nightscape selfie, and my god, Google camera performs far better. Like it's a day and night difference here. So yeah, nightscape pictures, Google camera is winner, no doubt here. So overall conclusion of this video is that if you want to take amazing low lighting pictures, you should try the Google camera. I will leave the link in the description box below from where you can download the Google camera. So yeah, this is it. I feel in the day lighting situation, both performs very equally in my opinion. But in the low lighting situation, definitely Google camera takes the cake here. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did found this video helpful, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or who wanted to know about this smartphone or about the Google camera. So it will be very helpful for them. And by the way, guys, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.